Well, we may not be able to enjoy feasting on a fresh meal under the Tuscan sun, but we've got the next best thing in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen. That's why we love to celebrate Mamma Mia Monday.
Chef Joe Bellia of Joe's La Roma is with us today. We've got bread and we've got vegetables.
We're going to make a bread salad. Ever hear of a bread salad? Bread and tomato salad.
A bread and tomato salad.
Panzanella salad, it translates into.
Oh, wait, how is it?
Panzanella.
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 Okay. Now, we were talking about vegetables earlier, but
Yep.
you know exactly where these came
So
from.
there's no need to be cautious about these vegetables. We're growing right in premise of the restaurant.
Yeah.
Except for the onion, but yeah. So these were some local tomatoes, and this obviously from my yard. And so is a cucumber, and we have some bread here. You can choose whatever bread you like. I like to use a nice, thick, absorbing bread. Right, nice. Something's got some weight to it. We're gonna use a little bit of this semolina bread. What you want to do is you want to cut the sides off of it because you want it to absorb oil.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So if you cut the sides off it, kind of lets it absorb easier. Like I said, this is going to be a salad, so we're going to cut these into little chunks.
Gotcha.
It's not the cleanest board, but we'll get it done.
You're
A little
getting it
bit of
done.
seeds. So all you want to do is give it some room to absorb the oil, some nice surface to absorb, and we're going to cut
Okay.
those into little smaller chunks.
And do you use different kinds of breads?
You can use whatever bread you like. Like I said, the best bread is something that won't break up in the oil, something that's got a little bit of denseness to it.
So it doesn't get too mushy and just fall apart
That's
on
right,
you.
that's right. So we're just gonna put that right in the bowl. Extra virgin olive oil.
All right.
Say when.
Salt and pepper. And then we're just gonna take this bowl and we're just gonna mix that up a little bit, let it sit for a little while
Yeah.
while we cut
Let
the other.
the absorbing begin.
Exactly.
Now that's like the beginning of how you make croutons too, isn't it?
Pretty much, yes.
Okay.
But this
More
is,
to it,
This is where it gets a little different here.
Okay.
We're gonna take our tomatoes that we grew, do the same thing. Just gonna give it some absorbing surface by taking the sides off.
What's your favorite tomato to cook with?
So to cook with, I like the plum tomatoes.
Okay. But to salad with?
Oh, I love any heirloom tomatoes that you may grow. Purple Cherokees are kind of my favorite. There's the yellow golds I like too. But you can see how red these tomatoes are. You can always tell a tomato when it's coming fresh from the yard, right?
Yes.
So we're just going to do the same thing we did with the bread. Just going to kind of give it a surface to absorb the oil. You don't want it too small because you want it to stay
Right.
in shape a little bit, if you don't mind.
And you don't think of a tomato as something that absorbs something.
Right.
Right. But you can see it's just like a sponge as well. And this gives it a little bit more color.
And this is a great dish as we're in the dog days of summer. This is something that's kind of
Well, I mean, this is the best time for it, right? Because you're growing this in your yard. And a lot of people have more produce than they know what to do with.
true, very
And
true.
I know I get a lot of people that bring me by their tomatoes, and I'm so appreciative of that.
Yeah.
Same thing with the onion. We just want to cube it up a little bit. Add a little bit of red onion to this.
I didn't think about that. Maybe bring a tomato next time. Get a little something extra.
Yeah.
Trade in for a nice dessert. How's
Yeah,
that?
there you go. Something tells me you're going to get a bunch of tomatoes this week.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. We'll take them. The salt, pepper I did put earlier. Then we're going to add a little bit of basil. We're just going to take our tongs and mix this up.
Smells good.
And
Oh,
then
yeah,
we'll add
it
a little
does.
bit of red vinegar. This gives it a little bite and also helps break down some of the vegetables in the bread. And we do the same thing with the
Is that cucumber?
cucumber.
There we go.
Now you can add a little bit of garlic to this or anything else you like. We're going to add a little something on the end here to make it a little more Eastern Shore. How's that sound?
No.
Oh, okay.
All the more Eastern Shore, the better.
So if we mix this up and let it sit for a few minutes.
Okay. Well, you're going to mix that up. We're going to let it sit, take a break, come back, and talk more about Joe's La Roma and the salad, bread salad. Stick around, DelmarvaLife will be right back. During the break, our bright and fresh flavors got to know each other. And this uniquely Italian dish is just about ready to taste. Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma is in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen with Panzanella Salad.
That's right.
Translated to bread salad.
That's
Bread salad.
Like I said, I don't know if I said this earlier, but this started as a peasant salad and found its way mainstream and become a little bit of,
You could see how maybe it was leftovers, right?
Sure,
And they
sure.
just kind of threw it all in. And
I think a lot of dishes became that way. Came from someone who started from leftovers or put it together. So we've let it sit for about a few minutes. You see where it's absorbed all the oil and the vinegar. I didn't mention before about the bread. It's easier to toast it off a little bit first and let it sit out. This way it's absorbs a little better without breaking up.
Okay, because it's drier.
That's right.
Okay.
So we're gonna just add this to the bowl here. Like I said, you see there's not that much oil in the bottom of the bowl because everything absorbed. That's when you know it's pretty much ready to roll.
Soaked it right up.
And then just to give it a little touch, a little Eastern Shore flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Maryland crab meat, right?
Oh, boy.
I mean, there's anything you can't put this on, let me know.
No?
You could even put it on ice cream. I think
We'll
it'd be
add a
great.
little bit of crab
Look
meat
at
to that.
Oh, a little bit.
And a lemon. A little bit of lemon.
I'm gonna move this so we can get a
Yeah.
good shot of that. Oh,
Look at
at
that.
There we are.
that. That
And
looks amazing.
Nice lunchtime, middle of summer, don't feel like cooking salad.
Every day?
Well, you can mix it up, put it in the fridge. And
Sure, you
go
can
to
make it ahead of time and have a little bit of side dish with dinner.
Oh, good idea.
Let me know what you guys think.
All right. Well, I'm going in. I'm gonna get a
I
little
can
bit
honestly
of.
say I've never had this before.
And most people haven't. This is something different. It looks a little weird when you're making it, chopping up bread, but you can see it turns out to a pretty good main dish, side dish.
That's a summer dish right
How's
there.
that? Tastes pretty good.
Absolutely.
Holy cow.
The oil and the vinegar kind of work together. You can add a little bit of garlic to that, but with this crab meat, I didn't want to do that today. I did the lemon instead. Like I said, it'll hold all day.
Wow.
Even out of the refrigerator.
And I feel like it's just something you could add as much of what you want, or
Right.
not put onions in it, or
And who doesn't have leftover bread, right?
yeah.
So everybody's got
Especially
bread.
maybe on the steel side.
Right, even better, even better.
I gotta go. I'm going in for a big bite. So you guys talk amongst
Yeah.
yourselves.
So what's going on at Joe's La Roma this week?
Well, I guess we'll be doing some crab Panzanella salad.
I guess so.
We have a couple of events going on this week. We have a special event on Thursday that we do for Rich Reelsberg at the Fruitland Police Department for his son, and we'll be doing that on Thursday. But if you want to make reservations, we're at a small place, 56 seats. I recommend that you do. I know there's a lot of softball tournaments in town.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
We've been getting a lot of people walking in at the end of the night, and thank God they're here for 3 weeks because they're making
Oh yeah.
further reservations for next week. Oh yeah,
That's good. That's good, because you can't just go just once.
That's right.
You have
Very
to keep
true.
going back. Yeah.
Joe, that's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Good
Thank
stuff.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma in the Kitchen Concepts Kitchen. We'll see you next time.
See you next week.
And we'll see you after the break.